because you guys, Jeulia is having a huge sale. And not only do they have a sale, I have a discount code that works on it. Plus they've got free jewelry they're giving out with orders. They've also got buy one, get one half deals going on. I mean, you guys, the deals are endless right now. So yes, we're doing an unboxing today, but we're also going to talk about all these sales. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Jeulia. This is a jewelry company online and I have been making purchases, I believe, for a year now from this brand. I originally started just looking at their jewelry and they have some really cute items, mind you. But then once I got the jewelry in, I was like, I love this even more because it's great quality, and I'll explain all of that later through it if you want to hear my full review on the products. But just know that now I'm a huge fan. So I have a new order that I was going to share with you guys of some new jewelry to try out, and I was going to do the unboxing. But then Jeulia decides they're going to have a massive sale on their website. And I was like, well, okay, then we got to go through all these because I love deals. I know you guys like deals. So we're discussing it today. So if you want to buy anything from Jeulia's website, I will have a link down below for the whole website. I'm also going to be posting a 15% off discount code that works on your total purchase order. And you can use that on any of the jewelry that's marked down in their sale. So some of the jewelry is marked down up to 70% off from where it was before. Almost everything on the website is on sale and they have reduced prices. You can add all of those items into your cart, throw in my discount code, save a little bit more. They have free shipping if you have a minimum order spend. But then on top of that, I'm going to post links for each of the jewelry items that I have in my order here. That way, if you want the same jewelry items that I chose today, you can just go directly to that page. So this is what my box looks like. So when you place your order, all of your jewelry will be inside. Inside, they're going to have a few things on top, starting with, if you remove the jewelry tag off of the jewelry items, they are no longer eligible for returns or exchanges. So you are able to get your jewelry in, try it on, see if it fits, if you like it, you know, whatever it may be. And they do have 30-day returns and exchanges available, but you can't remove the tags. And that's what this stop sign is saying, is don't remove the tags off of your jewelry items or you can't return it. You are also going to have a cute little envelope and card inside of your box. Now, this is a limited bonus gift that they're offering right now. So it's only right now, if you place an order during their Mother's Day sale, you will receive one of these cards in your order for free. Their theme right now and message with all of their sales is I love you, and really promoting that to either like moms, but they've also got like a wedding sale going on because that's this time of year. Same thing with like graduation. So if you wanted to give a gift that's really meaningful, then that was the idea, is they want to promote this I love you. So they're including the card in every box, and they're not sealing it because that way you can fill it out and then you can give this to the recipient along with the jewelry as a gift. So inside of this, they've included in here a little sticker, which I thought was a great touch, that you can put on the back. So when you are done writing your card, you can seal it. I just thought that was cute. And then inside, there will be a little card that says thank you very much on it. And then this will open up and it is just blank inside. But it's really thick cardstock, you guys. Like, this is really nice paper. I was surprised for it being a free item. You know, sometimes with like the gift tags, they'll just send you like a little like card and it looks like a business card and there's just lines on it and you can write on there. So this was much nicer than what I thought it was going to be. But that is a bonus item that you'll get just for right now. It's not all the time. Okay, then moving on into our box, they've also included a little magazine. It shows some of their featured products from their website. Like I said, it is wedding season, so they have an entire wedding collection. Now, I know with weddings, we always default to diamonds. This brand has all sorts of stones, whether it's precious or not. I don't buy anything with diamonds in it or anything expensive here, okay? I'm going to clarify. While they have those options available, that is not what you're going to see on this channel from me. So this is available on there. They also have rings, though, that have the moissanite in them. There's also the cubic zirconia, so it looks really expensive, but they're not going to break the bank. But additionally, they'll go through and show you their rose gold collection, which I have this ring here. It's so pretty. It looks like a crown. Really pretty piece. They also have got some new collections that are going to feature pins, and it's giving you kind of that floral fantasy, a little bit of whimsy to it. So it's not just jewelry, they have bags, they have pins, and all sorts of jewelry in between. But honestly, their website is huge, so there's lots of options. And I say that in every video because I'm like, if you don't like what I have and you don't like what's in this book, just go shopping because there's more in there. But also in my box, they're gonna include a little gift bag to put your jewelry in, and you're going to get a cleansing cloth to go along with it so you can polish your jewelry up. I mean, these guys think of everything, seriously. So if you want to give a gift, not only can you get it on sale, but they're going to give you the gift tag to go with it, the gift bag to go along with it. I mean, I just feel like they give you everything you need to make a perfect gift. Okay, I finally made it to the bottom of the box where my jewelry is at. That literally was everything that was sitting on top of my order. So this is the first item from my order then today. All of your jewelry will be sent in boxes, so great packaging again. And then inside, we're gonna have a necklace, and you'll notice that this has been customized. So not only do they have jewelry online that you can purchase and wear right away, but they also have options where you can customize and personalize the jewelry as well. So then it makes it even a better gift. They do engravings. I mean, they have lots of options available. This is a necklace. It's got a gold chain, and you are able to customize what it says. So I obviously went with my name. I love to layer necklaces, and I thought this might be kind of nice to wear when I'm filming, because hear me out. I know this is not going to be a problem that everybody else has, but this was the idea. A lot of times we have new viewers that are watching my videos for the very first time, and they don't get to know who I am, or they don't even know my name. And I can't always in every video, do a whole introduction and like, my name is Sydney and this and that. And so I thought, and the reason why I can't is because my existing viewers already know who I am. And so they're like, okay, I don't want to hear this in every video. It's hard to balance it, right? So in my head, I was like, I wonder if I got a name tag, if that would help. Then my new viewers would be like, oh, I know who this girl is. That was my idea, at least. So this necklace is technically a part of their Mother's Day collection, and you could have it with the nameplate that says mom or mother, and then you're able to add on the birthstones to the necklace. So that way it would be this really customizable feature. You can give it as a gift. You know what I mean? That was the idea. I just took that idea and tweaked it and made it work for myself. So the birthstone actually is my birthstone, and it's just the aquamarine stone. But I was thinking I could layer it, like I said, with existing necklaces. And I went with the gold chain, but you could do silver if you wanted to. But I figured this would match the best. And then maybe, if I can get my hair out of the way, I could layer that here. Now they have different lengths available for the chains, so you can get them in any length you need, and then they'll have adjusters at the end as well. And there's even a cute little heart down here. I just now realized on that. That's adorable. So this is all sterling silver, but then they've added the gold plate over top of it. It's a little harder to see than what I was hoping for on camera. I didn't realize how reflective it was gonna be. It's still very cute, and Jeulia did exactly what I ordered. It's just a little brighter than what I thought it was going to be. Maybe to be continued. Maybe we'll do another name tag of some other sort. But it is still very cute, and I do think Jeulia did a great job. The next item that I went with is this cute little ring, and it's a silver ring. I know, big surprise there. I don't usually do silver, but look at how cute this is. Can you tell that these are characters? So these are from that collection that I mentioned earlier where they will take animated characters and put them on their jewelry pieces. So this will feature a cute little heart. And then do you notice all the spots on the dogs? We've got these cute Dalmatians. So what I love about this is you've got the adult Dalmatian and then the puppy on the other side. They are both pushing against the stone in the center. Now this stone is not going to be real at all. Actually, I don't even know what that is because this is one that they already have done up on the website. You can just choose the size that you want, but it's not going to be a precious stone. However, these are all going to come with a 1-year warranty on them. They are going to resist scratching as well. They're very durable. And that's one thing I have found is with all of the unboxings that I do, I need accessories that are durable because I don't want them to get scratched with boxes. And you know what I mean? I don't need them to get caught on things and to be bent and pulled. So this jewelry definitely stands up, which I really like. The last piece of jewelry that I went with is also a ring, but it's also customizable. So this is a ring that I went in and did myself. You are able to choose up to 4 stones for this ring, and then they will make and customize it with those stones and then get you your exact ring size. So this is what it looks like here. You can choose all different birthstones and you can do 1, you can do 2, 3, 4. I went with 4 just because I really liked how balanced it was. And then you can choose all of the different stones in here. So we've got these gorgeous ones. Now these stones again are just going to be the crystals that have been dyed with the color. They're not actually going to be precious stones. But this, I just thought it was such a cute little display. I loved how it all looked, the way that they did the little like braiding or rope design in between. I don't know if you can see that all the way, but I really liked how elegant that was. But it still has birthstones that have meaning then for myself. So this is again something that you can customize. Go online, you can add in as many stones as you want, and then you get this gorgeous band. And their thought, once again, is that you could give this as a gift to somebody. So, you know, if you want to give it to a grandmother and then put all of the grandkids' stones on there, or if you wanted to do it for mom and all of her kids, whatever it may be, that's a fun way to do that. I just realized I did not share with you guys what the Dalmatians looked like on here. So this is what that ring will look like here. So it does stand upright a little bit more. I do think it's still really pretty. I love that red heart that's on the side there. I mean, it's super cute. So those are all of the jewelry items that I picked out with this order. But like I said, there's so much to choose from on the website that if your style is not like mine at all, I mean, obviously you're not gonna order a necklace that says Sydney on it, but they have options for everyone. The other thing that's nice is with the rings, they have sizes that are half sizes. So if you're in between or you're not quite sure and you're like, I'm an 8 to a 9, they have an 8.5 available. So I like how specific they can make all of those rings be. Plus you can customize. They have some necklaces where you can actually add a photo into a locket. That was super cute. So there's some really fun things that you can make personable, but then you can still get the discount and all of the savings that they have going on right now as well. So if you guys want to go shopping, now is a really great time. And I don't even say that as like, you know, an influencer, like that whole idea. The thing is that sometimes, you know, people watch our videos and it's like, oh, she's just telling me this to go buy them. And I'm like, I'm going to buy them regardless, whether you guys watch the video or not. I'm still going to get this jewelry. This is an order that I placed for myself to begin with, just like all of the other ones. So I'm just saying that this is a great time to get a great deal, that if you've never bought from Jeulia before, this is a good time because you won't have to spend as much. Because the only other time I've seen these good of sales was Black Friday, Christmas season. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day and have fun shopping and getting all of the deals right now. But I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye.